Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to change character in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Roblox and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home screen, click on the avatar button from the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be taken to the avatar editor. Here you can see all the items that you own like clothes, accessories, body parts, animations and more. To change your character's look, just click on any item that you want to equip like a different shirt, pants or hairstyle. If you want to use a different character bundle like a themed avatar, tap on the characters section and select one. You can buy it using Robux. Just tap on the amount of Robux it costs to buy it. Your character will automatically update with the selected character. Once you're happy with your character, just exit the editor. And that's how you can change character in Roblox.